I think second wave was very, I would say, tough for Hubli in terms of number of patients growing, the hospital requirements, hospitalization. Across India it was a problem. So when it was growing in Hubli, I think we were kind of concerned, and also we were kind of figuring out how we can help.
In second wave peak, we were getting around more than 1,000 positive cases every day. So giving beds actually was a challenge for us.
We were not prepared for the second wave, and that also came as a surprise to us. And the second wave was so much, everybody, the whole system was almost standstill.
Yeah, especially second wave, managing a manpower is a big challenge. So we have to take everybody into confidence.
Many people were not giving the places for establishing COVID care centers.
ಎರಡನೇ ಅಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದರದ್ದು ಬಹಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಅಂಶ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು.
ನವಲಗುಂದದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೇವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಫಸ್ಟು ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸುಮಾರು 15 ದಿನ 1 ತಿಂಗಳು ಆದ ನಂತರ ಇದೇನಾಗಿಬಿಡ್ತು, ಕ್ರಮೇಣವಾಗಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಯಿತು.
And now was the time. And great news was, I think DC was very open and always thinking about what can be done better for the Hubli city and Hubli Dharwad district, and how we can solve the problem proactively and fastest way. So that inspired us that yes, we can work and we talk to them.
During the second wave, we partnered in much larger areas.
People were not coming forward to work in KIMS. That is the time DF came in, and they said we will try to recruit some people and give you.
Really, Deshpande Foundation, within few days, as soon as we told, within few days they came and they supplied timely, especially heparin and other things, gloves, consumables, and really it has helped a lot, and we could save so many patients.
So we had different wings. One is the helpline, wherein one doctor, one staff, and people from your group, that is Deshpande Foundation, they were available.
We wrote down the flow chart, how exactly the system should operate, and then we set up a team of 35 members.
So we could establish this COVID care center at Deshpande Foundation in first wave also. This second wave also we had established.
ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬೇಕಾದಂಥ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಬಂತು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ದೇಶಪಾಂಡೆ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಮಷೀನನ್ನು ಸಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನವಲಗುಂದ ತಾಲೂಕು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅಂಡಿಗೇರಿಗೆ 2 ಆಂಬುಲೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಹ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು.
Deshpande Foundation has also given some medicines to primary health centers.
Even they provided ICU cots, follow cots, general cots, along with mattress, even providing foods, kits, and so many things.
Actually, Deshpande Foundation helped Dharwad District Administration in creating digital content also. Those materials we actually used in our Twitter and Facebook handles, and also in Instagram, so that could reach thousands of people.
That Deshpande Foundation, that is a time I felt, see how much they are valuing a life.
If we can do something which is required and not possible and not easy, and we can solve it immediately, it gives you a sense of satisfaction that we are adding value to district and society.
From the KIMS Institute, all the faculties and our healthcare workers, really I thank Deshpande Foundation very much.
I thank the whole the management of Deshpande Foundation, and in particularly the volunteers of Deshpande Foundation.
It doesn't matter whether you are subject matter expert or not. What matters is, do you have will to solve the problem, eagerness to solve the problem, hunger to solve the problem. If you have that, you can reach across to anybody, all subject matter experts, get this data, get the information and solve the problem.